Hi, my name is Marilu Ramirez, describing my fridge. Next, I will talk about countable or uncountable products. Okay? There are 2 bottles of yogurt. There is a red pepper. There is a yellow pepper. There is an orange paprika. There is a lemon. There is an apple. There are 3 oranges. There are 2 large oranges. There is a pink maracuja. There is some tomatoes. There is a bunch of green grape. Okay, there is a cucumber. There are 2 cabbages. There are 4 jars with preservatives. There is some pork. Okay. There is some juice. There is some long onion. And there is a tray of small cuts. Thanks. Bye, teacher.